make some almond milk at home from scratch. You start by soaking your almonds in warm water. This is 1 cup of almonds to 4 cups of warm water, and you keep that soaking for at least 4 hours or overnight. Then once you soak the almonds, you put it in a blender like you see me doing here. I add sea moss gel to it. This sea moss gel is blue because it has butterfly pea in it. Sea moss gel is very good for you. It's high in antioxidants and it's good for your skin, and there are several other benefits to using sea moss gel. You blend until it looks creamy like this. Oh my gosh, this is so creamy. I really like almond milk that you make at home. Now you're gonna strain it. I use this cheesecloth bag that I got from Amazon, and I'll link it in the description box. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. This was a little bit of a fail because the bag was a little too big for this container, and I actually did end up having to strain it in a different container and then pour it into this. I really like this cheesecloth bag though. It's very convenient. I used to use the regular cheesecloth that didn't have a bag, and it was not as easy to use that to strain the almond milk. But if you make nut milks at home, or you do other things that require a cheesecloth, I highly recommend using this bag. Almond milk from scratch at home is good. Just make sure that you store it in the fridge, and that when you're soaking the almonds, you keep them in the fridge so that it will last you. This can last you anywhere from 3 to 5 days before it goes bad. So make sure that you refrigerate this, because otherwise it will go bad pretty quickly. I highly recommend making your almond milk at home because you know exactly what's in it and there are no preservatives. Subscribe for more.